All right, back out here in the landfill. You saw yesterday, I put those snow plows on. We got some snow overnight. I'm about 45 minutes from our shop. They got a little bit less out here than we did up north. But yeah, you can see everything's covered with just maybe an inch or so of snow. But we're still able to cut it. It's working pretty good, actually, once these machines got warmed up. I didn't know Bobcat started making white brush hogs. That's new over the weekend. But yeah, once the machines are going, it's actually working out okay. And I'm hoping to kind of keep the mud down. Tracks are actually kind of clean so far, which is good. It was frozen this morning, but now we're getting after it, and it's cutting pretty good. So I'm happy with it. We're just going to keep after it and try to get this wrapped up before we get more snow and when we definitely can't cut it. So today's definitely manageable, even though Randy thinks it's crazy that we're out here cutting grass. He's not. I think he's jealous, actually. He's jealous that I'm cutting grass and he's at home relaxing on the couch watching YouTube. So that's what we got. We're getting after it. Let's go. Yet another beautiful day here in Buffalo. And we got, again, snow. You can barely see it. It's coming down. It looks a lot worse in person than through this camera for sure, like always. But let's just say last night when we left, there was no snow on these machines. And everything here, this is all green. So we got this section here to wrap up. And then we got some on the outside of the fence to do. Down along this road here, you got all that all the way down to the corner, which is pretty far down there. We're working next to actually an air traffic control tower for Buffalo Airport. So every once in a while you see a plane come in. But yeah, we're getting it done today. Snowing. Hopefully we're gonna get this wrapped up today and be done. We're on to the next job. Just cutting away here at these cattail looking things. I got about 8 inches of snow on top of my brush hog that I got to keep kicking off because I can't tell if the deck's level or not. Not that it really matters because it's a freaking field of just mud. But we're getting it done. It's pretty muddy out here. All right, Wednesday, December 1st now. We are still out working. I don't know about some other landscapers here in Buffalo, but actually today's nice. 38 degrees. All the snow melted off this project. We're finishing up this brush hogging job. I got my buddy Eric out there. He's gonna walk this fence line and cut down any of the suckers that are growing along the fence because they're worried about the roots going into the ground too far into this landfill. In the meantime, I'm loading up hauling equipment out of here. I got the T66. We're taking this over to Amazon in Hamburg for the crew to get working over there. They're already started, but they need some more equipment. So I'm taking this thing and dropping it off over there, and I'll be back over here to wrap this project up hopefully today, and we'll be all done with everything we got to do here. So that's our little update for today so far. I'll probably get a little video over at Amazon of what that looks like. Pretty big place. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, I'm up here at Amazon now in Hamburg. There's the building going up. We're still very early stages here of this project, but we got trees in the ground. We got to move all that topsoil. So that's a huge pile of soil. But just a lot of work going on here. The paving, curbs, still stone parking lots everywhere. They got this crane here. They're doing concrete work. Big crane. They were just hoisting a generator up on the roof, it looked like, or an air conditioner. So yeah, pretty big job going on here that we're working at. It should keep us busy this winter. All right, here we are at the staging area for us. Trees, 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 more trees. And those are the ones that are just not staged to be planted. They got a whole slew of them already laid out and planted and ready to go into the holes where they gotta go. And there's supposed to be more coming tomorrow, Thursday. Another probably 50 to 75. So yeah, we're gonna be busy here for a while. Plus all the grading next year. Holy smokes. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up this project up here. I'm on day 6. 2 guys here pretty much every day mowing along. About 140 acres to 160 acres, plus or minus, somewhere in that range. All cut up. Yeah, it's a little muddy out here, but I don't know if I said it once, but I'll say it again. They didn't want us out here this summer because there's a bird apparently that lives out here, and they don't want the birds to be disturbed because birds are more important. So yeah, you can see it's pretty wet. It looks like it's starting to ice over. We had everything from sun to snow to rain to a tornado. Everything came through here. Well, we got it all done for now. We'll see if we did enough for them, other than maybe these ditches, which are underwater, so we don't know how we're going to get in there if we have to get in there. So, all right, that wraps up this one. All right, I'm up here at Amazon today. We're working on unloading some trucks full of trees. That's, you see it backing up there. That's truck load number 1 of 3 today coming in. Also using this brand new E60 excavator to unload it. First time using that on the job. And here's another view of the place. Nice and big. Okay, Saturday, December 4th. We worked inside this building today. There's the inside view. Got the main door put on this week. And today we got the concrete floor set, so you can see my floor drain in the middle. Everything's gonna kinda, you know, go towards the drain. So that's all set, so we're gonna be tamping and ready for concrete. Then we're gonna do a little concrete pad outside this door. That'll meet up from this door over to the pad in front of that door. And we cut the opening from new building to old building. We're gonna do 2 steel double doors, a passage door like that's set over there. So we'll be able to drive a lawnmower through here if we wanted. And I guess now we have a real look on what the wall space is going to be. And yeah, we're going to go from there. Shaping up though. I'm satisfied so far.